Hello, this is Mabel's Tables, and I am doing a collab with Marlene's How To. And the name of this collab is Happy Birthday, Jesus. Lord, have mercy. In this collab, she wanted us to show a nativity scene with Jesus. Her co hosts are Penny's Lifestyle Living, Tamekia Rosero, Johnson Home Decor, the Grace Life DIY Home, JMom Creations, and two Georgia Peaches. Well, I'm not going to go into everything because I get so excited when I'm trying to introduce these content creators. But let me tell you, if you all go on over to each one of these channels, you will see that you will be truly, truly, truly amazed. I am so happy to be able to participate in this Happy Birthday Jesus collab. Let me tell you, go check Penny, Tamekia, Johnson Home Decor, The Grace Life, JMom Creations, Two Georgia Peaches, and our host, Marlene's How To. Please go over and check them out. They will show you things that you thought you knew, but you learned them a whole different way. Okay, so now I'm going to turn you over to my creation that I made to say, Happy birthday, Jesus, the Son of our true and living God. Happy birthday, Jesus. I am so glad that you asked God to give you a body to come down to earth that you may redeem man. And who is man that you want to be born here into this world to redeem us? I thank you for being who you are. And I thank you from coming down from paradise where I know everything there was prepared explicitly for you to come down and to take on a body and to save a wretch like me. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday to the spirit that took on a body and came down to really rescue man. I thank you, Jesus, for what you did for me over 2,000 years ago, coming down and rescuing a wretch like me. Happy birthday, Jesus, and thankful to your Father in heaven that gave you the permission to come down and rescue a wretch like me. Happy birthday, Jesus. I am not even worthy to call upon your illustrious name, but here I stand saying, Happy birthday to you, the Christ. This is Mabel's Table saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well, and that this is His world, and there's nothing we can do about it but live in it and give thanks to Him for sending His only begotten Son, that we might live and live abundantly. Thank you, Jesus. Happy birthday to you.